Hello. I'm awkwardly sitting in my car enjoying the heat. I've like refused to wear a jacket out. I just got to somewhere I haven't been in over a year. I'm at the Fayetteville Antique and Craft Mall in Fayetteville, Pennsylvania. And I think I'm gonna start off with building 2. There's technically 3 buildings here. I'm only gonna do 2. It looks like I recognize a couple cars at the first building. I see some vendors I know are restocking, so I'm gonna give them a chance to do that and go in and check the other building out in the meantime. Well, this is the first thing I see. Yup, $1 as is. Dang, it's super broken. Looks like Potosi almost. Is this gonna be open? The moment of truth, it is. Dude, check this thing out. Easter chick with felt. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And the little ornament. There's all kinds of trinkets in here. Oh, the Easter egg. German paper mache. Those are kind of hit or miss for me, honestly. Oh, I'm like, everything's kind of carefully balanced. I like those little lamps back there, especially that white one. The milk glass. Fused glass golf dish, that's kind of neat. Yeah, I remember this booth has a lot of teeny tinies. What I'm really excited to get to is this case right here with all the plastics. I love the lamb lollipop holder, 38 though. A lot of Knickerbocker and Roseboro. The angels are amazing, the Royal Dukes. Well, I really like the Amberina Crackle Base, but that's at 85. I'm kind of distracted by this. This was not like this the last time I was in here. So let's check this out. I'll double back to that booth after. This has kind of my attention right now. It's interesting. Huh. I just realized I know this vendor. One of the antique malls down the road closed last summer, so I guess a lot of them went here. This is amazing. This is $35. It does have a chunk missing out of it, but even with that, it's still a really good price. Lots of milk glass. Oh yeah. Now I know that this vendor moved here. Gosh, I should probably go down to the other building and stop being lazy. Came all the way here. What's this fabulous lion bank? Oh my gosh, it's like so heavy. Yo, this gourd. Wow, that's awesome. It's signed. It's got the dream catcher in it. It's also like $2. That's a really interesting buy. Not really my thing. What's this? That's signed too. That's kind of cool. Well, I was about to reach for a piece of pottery when my eye caught onto this whole situation. $28 and 20%. That's kind of a steal, isn't it? And then I just had one of those. I have to see what it's sold for. I also see this. This is awesome. $12.50 and 20%. It's got some wear, but it's pretty neat. Oh wow, there's like all kinds of stuff over here. I think I'm gonna let it rip. I'm gonna take that and look at that basket. Look at this. This has a chip. Wow. Alright, I should probably take this for that price. Now up here, this is what I was originally grabbing. Italy. That's really cool. $11 and 20% off. I'll take that. And then the piece of pottery next to it kind of caught my attention. That's really different. I think I'm gonna get that. I mean, it's also like $1. Now, what do they have on this shelf? Crazy cool paperweight that probably weighs 1,000,000 pounds. It does. Look at this. Alligator. That's kind of cool. I like the color on that. apple little bottle signed. That's interesting. Ooh, I found another one. That's raku, if I'm not mistaken. It's also $1, so I'll take that as well. Now, what else is over here? Lots of Crocs. That's not really my thing. Huh. Let's look at more of the pottery. Now, there's something in here that's kind of got my eye. Russian eggs. Bird slot. That's $59 and 20% off for all. That's kind of cool. That's like, what, $11 off or something? I might look at that. Well, we've got another one. The first thing I see, of course, I don't really do earrings, but I noticed these little birds, these plastic bird pins, lucite, $2. Well, I have to get those. That's a no-brainer. And then look at the little Lego Japan salt and pepper shakers. Those are fun. $8.25. That's a pretty good deal. And then these guys, those are at $12. Oh man, there's all kinds of random stuff in here. Little Fenton, that's $23. Okay, well, that's a yes. Check this out. That's $10. That's a no-brainer. Why are all these carnival glass vases $5? Well, I also somehow missed this. Murano Rooster, $26 and 20% off. That's kind of cool. It's definitely the price is right. I might pick that up, even though it's not really my thing at that price. You can't really argue too much. Okay, now back to this booth. What was I looking at? I was looking at those carnival vases. So let's see here. $5. That one's got something going on in it. $5. $5. It just needs a little cleaning for $5, right? Well, they're kind of... Now I'm like second. This one's really pretty. $5. I'll take that one. All right. Well, I took all but 2 of those. What about this little whisper 13? I think I'll leave that one. The bell is $20. Jadeite mug, $4. Well, for $4, I'll take that. What? Pink Shenshao crystalline vase, $88. Can't say I'm too familiar with that. Let's see, got some bracelets. Spotted bangle, $3. That's kind of cool, actually. I'll take that. Just kidding. I tried to put it on, and it's not very forgiving. It's really tiny. I'm gonna leave it. I recognize this guy's handwriting. This looks like my friend Connor. That's neat. I wonder if it works. It's pretty fun. Yeah, made in Japan. That's so cute. I feel like I should probably get that for that price. Oh, it's missing a wing, duh. Yeah, I'm just a little overwhelmed. It's been so long since I've been here, so everything's like new to me. Well, hello, Fenton cats. All kinds of cats. I'm gonna start at the bottom because it's the least overwhelming. $2.50. Take that. Why didn't I get a basket? Hey, look at this. Nippon is, yeah, it's got a chip though, it says. Let's continue adding to my pile. What about this one? $1. I'll take that for $1. And the salt and pepper shakers, $10.50. These are really fun. Pair of dogs. Our salt and pepper shakers, made in Philippines. They're as is though. It's got a pretty gnarly chip on it. And the measuring cup set is pretty close. I'm saving the top shelf of that for last. Also, I saw this. This is necessary. Look at this little pink mouse. That is so cute. $5. I'll take that. $2 trinket box. New Orleans, Japan. I'll take that. What about this guy? It looks German. Bed Buddies. That's too funny. Yeah, for $2, I'll take that. I need reinforcements. Look at the squirrels. Those are really fun at $14.50. I don't have the most luck with those though. Let's see. Getting a message. Hold on. Just kidding. Bed Buddies is broken. I'm gonna double check this. These are getting harder and harder to find, especially at good prices. And then brown cat. Japan. $4.50. I got a big old pile happening right now I need to take care of. Well, now I'm distracted again. This booth, Chipple. This booth has 40% off. I'm gonna give this one a glance over. I think I'm gonna save that shelf of Fenton cats to the end. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, it looks like McCoy. Oh, there was a treat in there. Little lucite situation happening. Spooky thing on the ground. Jadeite ashtray. $27, excuse me. Yeah, this place is way more full than I remember it being. That's awesome. All right, so getting ready to wind down here, but these are hand painted in great condition with the stickers and the tags and everything, and they have the original boxes, so I think I'm actually just gonna get all three. They're a little bit more than what I'd like to pay, but I think I'll do well on them. Well, I spent $144 in there, which is a steal. I'm gonna head over to building 1 and I'll see you guys when we get there.